And we're talking about human sound effects. Can you make a sound effect with your body? Mostly your mouth, I guess.
Well, hello.
There's a video floating around of an interesting guy. I don't know what to make of him. I don't want to draw any conclusions, but he's
I know just where you're getting at.
he's very interesting looking, and he has apparently worked. Is this just the sound effect, or is this the whole video?
It's only 27 seconds long. I'm assuming it's just what he does. Does he do any preamble?
Well, it's the whole video. It's him,
Okay.
talking about what he's about to do.
Well, yeah, then you can hear it. He's worked on it for, I guess, it says he's been working on it for 4 or 5 years. He's worked on this sound effect. Here, go ahead. Let's hear this.
Hello, everybody. I've been working on a police siren for the last, 5 years, and I've been working on it every day since I got better at it. And here we go.
Here, pause
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
He says police siren for 4 or 5 years.
Okay, just keep that in your head when you're about to hear this. Think police siren, and he's just using his mouth to make this. Is he the white Michael Winslow?
And you got to see the video, too. Head to our Twitter page, JSS98 Rock. Oh, God, it's a 10. When he makes the noise, the face he makes.
the video needs to accompany the audio because I'm telling you, I was laughing so hard you saw all my teeth. Just a big, gummy, loud laugh yesterday. Oh, right there where you got to pause, Mike. That's a lot of teeth. Yeah. This brought Mike a lot of joy yesterday, too. You can tell when something really tickles Mike's pickle.
Our boss, Rick, didn't even think it was real. It was so good.
I mean, it really is. It's a hell of a sound effect. So what we wanted to do coming up out of Keith Mills Sports is open up the sound effects line. What can you do with your mouth? Hello there. What can you do sound effect-wise that we'd be like, whoa? Occasionally, if I don't have a case of the old dry gums, I can do a pretty good cricket.
Yeah.
Because I got a gap in my teeth because of my upbringing. I mean, I'll see if I can. It used to be a lot better. Back when I had a retainer and I had these big, 2 awful beaver-like buck teeth, half my teachers just wanted to put me in a river so I could dam it. I was able to do that so loud, I could stop basketball games in elementary school.
Wow.
It just sounded like a whistle. I could do it really, really long, and people would just stop, and everyone would start looking around because I thought someone blew a whistle. What about you, Mikey?
Well, I was thinking about this yesterday, and I realized I do one all the time while I'm driving my car, and that's I mimic the sound of a turbocharged engine with the blow-off valve.
Mike, take it.
Don't.
It's okay. All right, here we go.
That's good. That's good. That's good. It's got
I'm so nervous.
No, Mike, that's good.
Why do you get so nervous all the time?
Come on.
I don't, because I never do it in front
enough.
of people. I do it in my car like an idiot to pretend my 2010 car of the year Ford Fusion
Give me
has
one
turbo.
more. It was actually really good.
Pretty good. Pretty
I like
good.
that.
Josh, don't be bashful. You were doing a little recital yourself yesterday in the meeting. What's your sound?
I put my pinky in my mouth and flick the right side of my cheek.
What would you describe the sound as?
Yeah, this is the adult, and this is the baby.
Scott, would you care to chime in with yours, buddy? What do you got?
I can do like the drop of water.
Oh, good.
Very nice. Very nice.
I was always jealous of people that could smack their fingers together. Like, they let them go limp.
What?
You know what I'm talking about?
Nope.
They'll, do like this, and they'll smack their fingers really hard.
I think you're talking about someone with a handicap, Michael. What is that? What is that?
Somebody call in with the finger snapping ability.
Yeah, just like snap their fingers. I mean, you have the people that are doing the whole thing, whatever the hell that is. But yeah, what sound effects can you make yourself? We have plenty over here, so I'm going to kind of do like a little open mic sound effect challenge because of this guy's. It sounds pretty damn good. Jen in Glen Burnie, my sweet, you've been holding for quite some time. Thank you for your patience. What's up?
No, nothing. I can do a dolphin noise.
Yes. Oh, yeah.
Oh, please.
All right, here we go. Take it away.
Ready? All right.
That's so good.
Yes.
What part of your body are you using to make that sound?
My mouth.
Oh, okay.
Well, Mike, I owe you $5. One more time for those in the cheap seats, Jen.
All right.
What would it take to keep you on hold for the rest of the show? And I can just go to you as needed.
I have too much to do today.
Damn it.
That's a yes. Thank you. That was great. That was great. Damn, I should have ended on that one. All right, let's go to Steven Eldersburg. Steven, good morning.
Hey guys, what's up?
How you doing, buddy? What are you capable of making? What's the sound effect?
The newborn baby.
Oh, go ahead.
You ready?
Hit it.
I'll take it.
All right, we'll take it. That was weird. That was real weird. It just sounded like a large man crying like a small baby. Thank you, buddy. It's our old buddy Wirenut. Wirenut, how you been, man?
Hey, good morning, guys. How y'all doing?
Good. All right.
You still sober, Wirenut?
Oh yeah, more than 2.5 years without a beer.
My guy. How about come year 3? You and I'll go grab a drink, man. Beer is
Stop
delicious.
it.
What? O'Doul's.
Not a chance.
All right, what can you do, buddy? What do you got?
Let's see. I got my tongue pierced back when I was in my 20s. And I discovered I can make it whistle.
Yes.
My tongue ring. I just draw air past the tongue ring. I can make it whistle, and I can chirp with it. I can make it sound just like a rat. I have so much fun with this, like walking through.
Did you say
stores.
like a rat?
Like a rat?
All right, take it away.
Go. Oh, it does sound like a rat.
That's great.
Oh, it sounded like a rat.
Wirenut, you talented son of a bitch. You've been holding out on us with that. That's horrifying.
Rat. Oh, a little like squeaky noise they make.
Good with it too.
Yeah.
What else can you do? Give me one more sound with that weird tongue hole.
Like a laser.
Oh,
Oh,
beautiful.
it is.
Why did you get a tongue ring?
They jumped. Damn it. Yeah, I was going to say, when did you get that tongue ring? Why did you get a tongue ring? Let's do. Oh, Josh in Dundalk believes he can do the finger snap sound Mike was referring to. Josh, good morning.
What's going on, guys?
How you doing, bud?
Hey.
Do you know what Mike was talking about?
Yeah. So you kind of hold your middle finger and your thumb together, and you make your index finger go limp, and you can hold on. Listen.
I think he's just masturbating.
Yeah.
Wow.
Now, hold on. Now I know you have to see this, so I'll text a video to your number.
It's like when you can a dip and you smack the dip.
Oh, yeah. When you're-
exactly.
Yeah. It's the same thing.
Just with no dip.
Just
All right.
with the no can of dip.
There you go. I appreciate it. Is there a name for that? What is that called?
Who knows?
The dipless finger snapper.
The dipless finger snapper. Yes.
Oh, I just hurt my wrist trying.
All right. And now we're going back to Jen one more time. Jen, give me one more dolphin for the road.
All right.
Keep going.
All right.
One more.
Oh. All right.
You're wearing her out.
Dance!
All right.